Hey beauties, I hope you're having a great day. I'm not wearing any makeup as you noticed because today I'm gonna be reviewing a makeup item. Surprise, surprise. And as always, it's a first impressions review because I find these more interesting and more honest, I think. So in this video, I'm reviewing a Revolution Pro Define and Fill Brow Pencil Precision Microblade Effect for fuller brows. So far, sounds amazing. Love, love, love the packaging. I took in the color dark brown, taken out box. This feels heavy. I mean, comparing to any other brow pen, this feels like it's metal. I mean, it's so heavy comparing to... What? That's so weird. Wow. Okay, interesting. That sounds promising so far, you know. It kind of gives more quality to it as the product is heavy rather than light. And I think without any further ado, we should just check out this product. I really hope I picked up the right color for me because my brows naturally is quite dark, as you see. So dark brown I think should be good. So one end we got the spoolie, which is perfect, you know. You can just brush the brow up. I got a really long brow hair, but it's kind of spare. And then on the other side, we got this, as they say, Define and Fill Brow Pencil Precision Microblade Effect for fuller brows. Looks like it's gonna be easy to work with and good for a spare brows or for someone who has no brows or like, you know, really thin brows. Yeah, that's a thing gonna work amazing. Without any further ado, I think we should just try this on the brows because that's the whole point of a review. Let's just do a quick swatch in my hand to see. Oh, okay, I think the color actually gonna be perfect. It glides so easy though. Liking this so far. Super easy to use, so you can draw the hair strokes if you want, but then it's definitely not waterproof or smudge proof or anything. You've seen how it wiped off super easy, so it's not a long wear if you're not gonna set it with a brow gel. So I'm gonna try and line the outside of my brow at first in the horizontal strokes and then fill in the middle. My goodness, this is so easy to use. Gives you so much precision. Loving it. And then I'm kind of just filling in the middle. Let's try to brush it up. So I'm brushing in at first in like a vertical strokes, especially in the front of my brow. And then I'm going more in the horizontal strokes. Might add a little bit more product on the outer corner, but so far, honestly, wow, I think this is the fastest I ever done my brow. So super easy to use. Gonna take the concealer. This one is Super Size Conceal and Define in C1 and just gonna clean up the brow. Although this time I don't really need to clean much. Using the concealer, especially underneath the brow, lifts the brow up a bit. And this brow is complete. What a difference! This was super easy and super quick to use actually. Wow. It might be my new favorite brow product because recently I've been super obsessed, and I'm saying this in my probably every video, with Revolution Pro Cushion Eyebrow Definer. So easy to use as well and lasts all day, but this Revolution Pro Define and Fill Brow Pencil might be my new favorite. So I'm just gonna do this brow exactly as I did this, and then I'm gonna add some brow gel just to keep it on in the place all day long. So I'm just gonna quickly add this NYX Control Freak brow gel and the brows will be complete. Always wear brow gel, no matter what kind of product I use on my brows. Always go with brow gel. Alright you guys, so I waited a few minutes for a brow gel to set in. Let's see if it's gonna be transfer proof. I mean the brow pen. Okay, I'm really rubbing on my brow now. Ain't bad. Okay, that means the product will stay on the brows all day long. So my verdict about this Define and Fill Brow Pencil Precision Microblade Effect for fuller brows. It's definitely amazing product. It was super easy to use, and I think it's gonna be perfect for those who has bare brows or close to no brows or very thin brows. You know, you can be super precise and draw, as they say even in the packaging, microblade effect, you know, strokes. My brows, as you see, are thicker brows. I have longer brows here, but it's kind of spare, so for me it was super easy to fill in my brow, and honestly that was just so quick and so easy to use. So definitely gonna be using this. Thumbs up from me. Could recommend this more, you guys. I really do hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching this. If so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao for now. Have a great day.